Hey, what is up, YouTube? My name is Kepley. You're tuning in to howtoplaystock.com. Today's video, I just wanted to talk about Ethereum. Okay, it is Monday. Right now, it's about 10 o'clock in the morning, and I checked the markets. Dow Jones is down about 37 points at the moment, sitting around 21,234 points. So that's the stock market. It's not doing much, but if you look into the cryptocurrencies right now, there is a lot going on with Ethereum. Okay, now I shot a video last night, and yeah, I should have held off on that, but I was testing the technical analysis charts on Ethereum and using some indicators to kind of see how well you can track the price action of Ethereum. And boy, I gotta tell you, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so right now because I'm covering a lot more on cryptocurrencies, just the price action on some of these, especially Ethereum at the moment. And with Ethereum, the price as of last night, and this was on Sunday at around 10 o'clock or 10:15. The price of Ethereum was sitting around $345. Okay, now I specifically said that the price of Ethereum, I was looking to buy on a dip. So I said that just based off the technical charts that I was seeing, the price was either going to come down to around like 323, 303. That would be a low point for Ethereum, or it was going to hit the moving average and bounce off the moving average and go up to anywhere, on up to $400 and past that. Well, because the cryptocurrencies are basically open 24/7, which is what I mean. I love that. It does kind of play against you sometimes, especially when you're sleeping. The exchanges right now that I know of don't have limit orders that you can put in on these. There might be a couple out there, but I'm unaware of them. So if you know of any exchanges out there in cryptocurrency where you can put in limit orders, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. But was I right on the price action and what it was going to do? It didn't go down as far as I thought it would. Matter of fact, it stayed right around the 330, like $35 to $345 range. It bounced off the moving average and shot up. I checked it this morning, guys. Today's Monday. I checked it this morning, and Ethereum at one point during the night hit $414. Okay? Now that is freaking ridiculous. Like phenomenal ridiculous. So I decided, well, okay, I'm out. I had a couple good trades on Ethereum, so maybe I should get back in because there was talk that Ethereum might possibly hit 500 by the end of the day, or possibly into tomorrow, which is Tuesday, June 13th. So I went ahead and jumped back in. At this point, I don't think it's going to pull back at the pace it's going right now. It's not going to pull back too much. Now, again, I could be wrong on that. It could pull back, and if it does, and you're invested in Ethereum right now, here's what I would do, and this is just me, just my opinion here, but I would go ahead and stay in, okay? There's no reason at this point to pull out because it's the trend. If you look at the trend on a long-term basis, this thing is just taking off to the moon. I don't think that trend is going to reverse anytime soon, especially with geopolitical tensions, central banks losing control of their whole Ponzi scheme and whatnot, and then people just, more and more people every day coming into the cryptocurrency market. I just don't see that you're going to get huge reverse patterns going with Ethereum right now. So I would imagine it's going to continue moving upwards. So if you're in and it starts dropping against you, don't worry about it. Don't freak out. If anything, just wait for it to hit a bottom and start going back up again and buy back in, because you're going to be buying back in on lower prices now, and you can do what they call dollar cost averaging, and just play this ride, this wave, all the way up to wherever it goes. So this is the first video that I wanted to upload today. I've got another one coming out later, which is going to show you the technical analysis charts that I used for Ethereum from last night. Okay, so you can kind of see, because I did the video last night, you're going to see what I'm saying right now, in fact, was correct. The pullback didn't go as I planned. It didn't go down as far as what I thought it would, but it's not a big deal because it did go up, and I told everybody in the video, when you watch it, I told everybody in the video that it's going to bounce off the moving average if it doesn't go down, and it could shoot up to anywhere around like $400, and I absolutely nailed that. So this is the first video talking about that, and then I'll upload another one later today that you can watch where I show you the technical analysis, because the technical analysis that I show you in this second video is, if you're not subscribed to the channel, I would subscribe first. If you're one of my viewers, pay attention to it, because the technical analysis and the tools and indicators that I use for this chart, you can start using for yourself, and you can do it with cryptocurrencies or the stock market. Now, one thing I'm going to say about the stock market real quick is that if you're going to use these technical analysis charts on stocks, just realize that it's going to be probably a little bit harder due to the fact that there's not really any fair value there with these stocks, and price earnings are just so distorted right now because of all the influx of money and currency that's been printed from the Federal Reserve. So the technical charts for stocks, in my opinion, are going to be a lot harder to read than what they are with cryptocurrencies, and that's just my opinion. So if you like what you're hearing here, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and keep a lookout for the second portion of this video where I actually show you the price predictions of where Ethereum is today. And this video I shot was taken last night at 10 p.m. So keep a lookout for that. And that's all I have for this video, guys. I'll talk to you soon. And remember, in comes the outcome.